Hello guys, welcome to my channel Trading Chart Patterns. Now I am analyzing this stock BEL, and if you will watch this stock closely, you will find out that this stock was actually making bearish pattern for say 3 weeks, and after that it has reversed. Okay, so what are the levels for this stock? See, there was a steep downside trend, right? And the stock has reversed. So till which level the stock will reverse? Until or unless it tests 150 rupees, it is not going anywhere. First of all, right, this is the first view of mine. The next view, let us see. If we'll watch this stock in monthly time frame, okay, you will see that this was the swing high, okay, and if I draw a swing low Fibonacci level from swing high, you will find out that the stock has actually reversed till you can say 60%, right? 60% the stock has reversed from its swing highs, okay, and it was actually trying to reverse till 78%, but it could not, right? Now let's see where the stock is. Until or unless the stock gives a candle closing above 141 rupees, okay, and makes another high above that candle, the stock will not turn so bullish, okay. And see, 141 rupees here, okay, sorry, 143 144 rupees here is acting as a resistance for this stock, okay. What has happened previously? The share went up till this level 143, started to fall. It went up till this level, again started to fall, and it has fallen 3% on intraday basis, right, from the previous high. And which candlestick pattern this stock is making? This is actually making a bearish engulfing kind of a pattern. Previously the buyers were active on this candle, and now the sellers are active on this candle, okay. So what can happen if the stock tomorrow on intraday basis uh, goes up till this level 140.95, or you can say 141? If it goes up towards this level, starts to take resistance and then comes down, you can short this stock below the low of this candle. Why? Because if the stock will go towards the upside and then starts to come down, it will make a head and shoulder kind of a pattern, right? And then you can short this stock below the low of this 137.25, right? So this is my analysis for BEL on intraday basis. Now let's analyze this stock in long term swing positions, okay. In long term swing positions, if you have long term swing position in BEL, Bharat Electronics Limited, okay, BEL, what you should do or what you should look at? See, if the stock is actually making this W sort of a pattern, it will try to move towards the upside 154 53 and then start to move a little more further upside and test the lifetime highs of 191 to 2000 rupees. And why this stock is running? What is the reason behind the stock to run so gradually, so towards the upside? Why this stock is running? Because first of all, if you look towards the India's future, you will find that electricity for all is future, and this company actually produces some of the electrical equipments also, okay. So this is the only reason why this stock is running like anything, and it has started to run above this levels, okay, above this levels 69-70 rupees, and it is has actually given twice the returns, right? So what can happen further? If the stock manages to go above the high of these levels, today's high, say, which is 143.4050, then only the stock will turn bullish, until or unless the stock will eventually take resistance of this level and start to fall. So this is my short analysis for BEL share. Okay, and if you want to see it in EMA terms, you will find out that the stock has a long term support around 118 to 120 rupees. Until or unless the stock is above this level, you can keep your buying positions. Okay, on. If the stock falls and then comes towards this level 120 117 rupees, and if you want to become an investor of this stock, then you can invest at this level. Why? See, this 120 rupees level was previously a huge resistance. The stock has broken that resistance. It moved up towards this level and then again came down towards 120 level, took support here, and then again it is trying to go towards the upside. So in the daily time frame, if the stock reverses from this level and goes above this high 143 144, then also you can consider a buying position for further upside target of 190 in swing or as an investment. Okay, so this is my analysis for BEL. Thank you for watching.